You're looking at the Husky Liner's Freedom Bed Liner. Today we're going to install it on our truck. Your truck may vary slightly, so keep that in mind. Now, let's get started. Before installation, wash and completely dry the truck bed. A clean surface is key for proper fit and adhesion. Install one U-clip in each corner over the pre-drilled holes. Make sure each clip is oriented correctly. Flip the floor panel upside down. Clean the highlighted area with an alcohol pad. Apply adhesion promoter. Then install the hook and loop strip. Place the floor panel into the bed, making sure it is fully seated. Position the bulkhead at the front of the bed, ensuring the bottom edge is captured by the floor rib. Angle each side panel under the bed rail, then press the bottom over the floor panel. Use the supplied screws and a Phillips screwdriver to secure the side panels to the bulkhead. Remove factory tailgate screws. Position the liner and reinstall the screws. Clean the bed under the hook and loop strip, peel the backing, and press firmly. Once everything's tightened down and locked in, your bed liner is ready to go.